Hello my flourishing friends, Sunday is craft day, finally! Took long enough. Yeah, today I would like to show you how to craft another card. Yes, another one. Lately I really enjoy making like those encouragement cards with nice little quotes or something on top. For this particular one today, I have to look it up again. I would like to craft a nice one that says, shower the people you love with love. I think that's a nice thing. What I already prepared is this nice card, pre-cut card. I bought this one. Sadly, I don't have the cutter for that. I desperately want that. So if I ever find it, that's a buy for sure. I'm gonna set that aside for now. Yeah, like you already seen in the little disclaimer up front, this card has an umbrella. So I'm gonna take this paper, draw an umbrella, how do you even call it? The top of it, and cut it out. And then we continue. So let's do pencil. I'm really gonna freehand this, which is nice with this paper. You can kind of try to be even with the line. It's not gonna happen for me, I already know it, but that's okay. That's the magic of self-made cards. They don't have to be perfect. It's okay how it is. So let's cut this out. And it doesn't even have to be straight at this point because we're gonna Sharpie away most of the little mistakes we just made, so it's all good. I always try to find ways to hide the mistakes that I did. Yeah, nobody will know. Psst. Sharpie time. Please make sure to put something underneath it when you do it because, yeah, Sharpie is a really permanent marker, you know? So what I just do now is draw some lines to give it that cartoony look. See, I fucked up right here. Just draw over it. And I'm gonna cut a bit from the sideline here. See, as if it never happened. It's here. Yeah, like so. I think that's cute. Then I have here some cutters. Gonna cut out one big heart and the little one. They should never be alone. I'm gonna set those aside for now. Glue the, how do you call the top of an umbrella? I'm gonna glue it. What I'm gonna do next is draw the little stick. Just like that. Doesn't have to be freaky fancy. Just on the bottom, I'm gonna draw it a bit thicker so it looks like it has a handle. Like so. Next up, I'm gonna write the quote here. Decided to do simple lettering for the quote. And just the final love is gonna be in a bit of cursive style. I'm not that good with hand lettering, but I'm gonna try just for you. I hope I don't mess it up, by the way. With Sharpie, there's no way back. Okay, on to the love. Are you ready? Yeah, I think it's not bad, isn't it? Okay, of course we won't leave the card like that. A nice pen pal of mine sent me those little heart sequences. So I'm gonna use those to make it rain. But not normal rain. No, it's gonna rain in love, like the quote says it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna glue them. Oh, that's not a heart. I'm gonna glue them underneath the umbrella. By the way, the entire time I have the song from Rihanna in my head. I'm gonna glue them under the umbrella, Ella Ella. Okay, I had to wiggle them a bit around, but now I think I got the position I like to the glue. There we are, all glued to the card. What I'm gonna do now, I have a normal pen here in black. I'm gonna draw those little lines. So it looks like the hearts are actually raining out of the umbrella. I think it's kind of a cute idea that's behind it. I think I want again the top of the umbrella. This word is like killing me right now. A bit more pinkish because the hearts are pink. Pink normal felt tip here. Just gonna draw some nice lines give it a nicer look. Also, it's missing something down here. I'm gonna use the pink pen for that as well. And then draw little hearts, like a heart banner. And we're gonna accent the love a bit with the pink pen as well. Just gonna paint over it or draw over it, but a bit loose so you see the pink here and there. There we go. That's already it for the front. I want to keep it simple today. Of course, I'm gonna decorate the inside a bit. What I'm gonna do with that is also keep it pretty simple. I have some washi here, pink glitter. Then I'm gonna cut it. And then I'm gonna repeat with the two other washis I have here. Just cut it in, glue it. Always a nice effect. You already know that from another video of mine. Last but not least, the little tiny one. Okay, then we have the hearts we cut out earlier. I'm gonna take my little pad again, put them on there. Then I'm gonna draw the outside line like we did here in the front. Alrighty, I'm gonna glue those here. I'm gonna cover up my little mistake again. See, nobody will ever know. There was a bit much glue, Lisa. So that's the side where you can write something, like a little message for your friends or family. To make the upper side look more appealing, I'm gonna take some more of those little hearts. And then up here, I'm just gonna put some hearts, like so. I'm gonna glue them real quick. Okay, I just glued all of them. Now I take my pen again. Let's see if it writes, okay. And we're gonna do the same as we did on the front. We're gonna make it rain again. Amazing, isn't it? All without rain dancing or anything.
Alright.
So that's the inside. I really like it. And that's already it for today, guys. Pretty simple today, but I enjoy the idea of it. I love that you can just cheer a friend up. Yeah, really enjoyed today's video. I look forward to the next one. I'm actually planning on doing like a little series, yeah, with more encouragement cards. Gosh, Lisa English. And look really forward to it. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I'm gonna need a lot of glue. And yeah, I see you next time. Bye! Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if you enjoyed the video. Subscribe to my channel if you want to see more. Lots of love, happy smiles and hugs. Your Lisa.